How to cool down your overheating iPhone. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can cool down your overheating iPhone. So there are some methods what you can do to solve this problem of yours. So we will be identify the potential causes of iPhone, and here are a few things you can try. Place it in a cool spot away from the direct sunlight. So this is one of the option, and the second is remove the case. Sometimes the phone case might also be the problem, so see if removing the case helps you. Or you can give it a short break for your iPhone, because using an iPhone lot can overheat it a lot. So you can just take a break for your iPhone and then not use it. Or you can turn the airplane mode on, because when the iPhone is using a lot, it's on the Wi-Fi mode. So you can just turn your airplane mode on, so the iPhone won't be disturbed by anything else. So update your operating system if it's showing this problem again and again, because it's a very big problem if it's always overheating. So you should update your over operating system for this as well. And the other option is use only manufacturer approved codes. Those super cheap code bundle packs may be tempting, but they are not always the best quality. So to be safe and keep your iPhone working as it should be, only use the chargers from the reputable manufacturers as well. So if this does not work, then I would suggest you to visit on the place where you bought your iPhone, or you can also ask the help from the iPhone users, which you'll see on the manual guide as well. So this is how you can solve your problem for the iPhone overheating problem. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.